Hey, what's up guys? I'm still here and I'm walking around and enjoy this amazing and interesting places for traveling. So Kuala Lumpur is just really interesting. It's worth it to visit these places. Okay guys, we just found some night market and I would like to try something locals from here. Maybe it's possible to find some burgers or something like that. So I know it's the best part of usually in Kuala Lumpur. Everyone cooks so beautiful and so incredible burgers over here. Okay, let's try. It's not so many people over here, but right now it's a little bit getting dark, and I think before that so many locals come to here to eat here and enjoy this place, listening to some music. Okay. Hey, hi. How are you doing? Okay, what's going on over here? Okay. We just find some burgers over here. You can see here chickens, nachos, fries, burgers, single cheeseburger, mock cheese, bacon. So it looks impressive. I've got to try something like this. You can see over here some smoothie avocado shake, mango shake, durian shake as well. So it's pretty empty here. I'm really surprised. So it's like chicken tender here, crispy. Okay, nice over here. Okay, station for music. I guess it's gonna be started a little bit later. Okay, a lot of stuff over here for that. Say hello, hi. Selamat malam. Apa kabar? Baik, very good. Sampai jumpa. Yeah, it's pretty good here, guys. A lot of sections for eat over here. You can find some Western food, Pit Boy barbecue like this, pizza, fresh chicken. So nice. Looks very good. And look at this area, guys. This is center of Kuala Lumpur. Night market. A lot of great food as well. And let me try something. Pretty start and Lord of Onions. These fries. Would you like fries?
Yeah, why not?
Would you like fries?
Yeah.
Okay, we would like pretty star,
Okay,
these fries,
okay.
and Lord of Onion
Lot of onion also with fries?
without fries.
Without.
Okay, very good.
That's all?
Yeah, that's all.
39.
Okay, 39,
We're gonna
39, 49.
39. 39. 39.
Okay. We just right. Okay, guys, we just find some burgers over here. It's nice place. You can see everything. Classics burger, double bow, big belly burgers, crazy star, a lot of onion. Looks great. So, okay, guys, that is our burgers over here. This gentleman cooking for us. I hope it's gonna be great burgers over here. Okay guys, this is our first burger from Malaysia. I guess it's gonna be great.
Of course, brother. It's
Yeah?
very good.
Yeah, very good. Okay, it's my first burger from Malaysia. It's like some bacon. It's like bacon over here. Yeah, it's pretty good area over here. It's some onion over here and mushroom. Oh, sorry. Okay, some burgers over here. Yeah, it's pretty nice area over here. You can see from here Petronas. It's pretty good area. It's a little bit butter over here. I hope it's gonna be the best burger in my life. Or not? What's your name? What's your name?
Atash.
Atash? Nice to meet you, Atash.
What's your name?
Andy. Andy, yeah. Andy.
Andy.
Yeah.
That's very good name.
Yeah, very good. Why not?
How long have you been here?
I've just arrived yesterday. Yesterday. It's my second day over here. I'm going to Tioman tomorrow. Tioman.
Oh,
Tioman.
Island, right?
Yeah. I would like to visit it. So we'll see what's happening over here. Maybe it's good, maybe not, but I hope it's very good.
Very good.
Very good. Very beautiful. Yeah. But Kuala Lumpur is very good as well.
Sorry?
Kuala Lumpur is very good as well.
Yeah.
It looks perfect. It's so modern. It's mixed culture over here. I'm impressed. Yeah. Okay, it's we'll eat burgers over here. Nice. Okay, let's check. Wow. Looks pretty good.
How is Malaysia? Okay.
Malaysia is very good. Kuala Lumpur is perfect. So I'm really impressed of Malaysia. I know a few words.
Sorry?
I know a few phrases from Malaysia. It's like apa kabar? Yeah or no?
Yeah, it's apa kabar.
Apa kabar?
I also know what's the meaning of привет.
Oh, you know that. Very good. Nice to hear it. That's for me?
Yeah.
Okay. Already paid or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Already
Nice.
paid.
Second one.
Yeah.
Okay. Terima kasih. So, okay guys, right here our burgers. Let me open that. Okay. How do you feel about that, Catherine?
But it is good. But so
A little bit. Salt or sweetie?
just manage.
It's my nice. Okay. Let me open that. Okay. There is my
Onion.
onion, guys. Look at this burger. Looks perfect, I guess. So many onions, beef, cheese, mayonnaise, a mushroom. Absolutely mind-blowing. I guess it's gonna be really, really good. Let's check her out. Oh yeah. Let's try.
Bon appetit.
No. Thank you, Miriam. Yeah, it's very good. It's so juicy. It tastes very good. Onion, it's perfect. Sauce is very good. I am really good for. Absolutely worth it. Yeah, It's my favorite part of day to day. A little bit tired and I'm really hungry. Okay guys, let's enjoy this beautiful burger and see you in a while. Okay guys, we just done our breakfast. Right now we're heading to our hotel. Thank you so much for your watching, for your time. Please like this video, share this video with your friends. Hope it's gonna be really great. Okay guys, see you in a while and bless you God.